So what you want to do first of all, go on your desktop or go on your phone. You're going to download the Claude app. Stop using ChatGPT. In fact, if you've used ChatGPT in the past, what you're going to do, you're going to go into your settings on chat. You're going to scrape all of your history. You're going to take that. You're going to input it into Claude. So now Claude knows everything about you. And then you're just going to download Whisper Flow and you're going to yap away. You're going to tell Claude your entire life, all of your goals, your business ideas, literally anything you want to do, and Claude will build it for you. Claude is 1 billion times better than ChatGPT. It doesn't even compare. And then what you're going to go do, you're going to go download Obsidian. You can only download this on desktop. Then you're going to plug in Obsidian with Claude and Claude Code using Whisper Flow, and you're just going to yap away, like I said, all of your goals, all of your business ideas, how much money you want to make, what you do in your day-to-day life, and then you're going to go download AI Grow. AI Grow is brand new. It is an MCP that can plug into Claude that can make Claude watch any video on the internet. Do you guys understand how insane that is? AI can now watch videos. This has never been done before. So you're going to download AI Grow, then whatever topic you want to research, you're going to get all of those videos and you're going to input it into your terminal if you're on Mac or whatever the fuck you Windows users make, you Android users, I don't know. But you're just going to input all of this, all of these YouTube links into Claude Code. It's going to ingest that into your Obsidian, and then it's going to build a database. Exactly what you want to do in business. It's going to recognize patterns. It's going to continue growing over time. Every single time you use Claude, it's going to start, like I said, recognizing these patterns, recommend business ideas, recommend all of these ideas. You're going to start TikTok Shop for you personally. I do TikTok Shop. My @ is in my bio. Again, if you guys want to follow along, just follow, like, and save this video so you can come back to it. I'm dropping all this shit for free. This is a long ass video. This is a 3-minute video. If you've made it this far, you're fucking locked in, okay? And I know you're gonna make bread. Currently, I'm only making a few $1,000s. But again, I'm making that from my phone. I'm in my backyard, token down. I just had a family dinner, kiddos asleep. I'm enjoying myself. I just hop on TikTok and I yap away. Hop on Claude, I yap away. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked, but you're going to get Claude, get Obsidian, get AI Grow, start TikTok Shop for you, start TikTok Shop AI, and then do YouTube automation. Boom. And I also do trading as well. If you guys do those 4 things, I promise you, within a few months, you will be making 5 figures a month, which for you guys that don't know, that's over $10,000 a month. Yeah, I promise you'll get there. It just takes time. It's no get rich quick scheme. It's going to take time. You're gonna have to do this shit day in and day out. You're gonna have to fucking live, sweat, and breathe this shit. It's all I fucking think about all day is how to make money online. And I promise you can get there too. We will all get there. Follow along for the journey, baby. This was one hell of a yap sesh, but I promise you, if you watch this whole thing, you will make it out of the rat race.